Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this hover effect to your WordPress website. So here we can see when we hover over these different services, we have different images displayed over here. And this is also responsive. So if you decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So let's get started. Right, so here I have logged into my WordPress dashboard, and if I click on visit site, this is how this website looks right now. And let's go ahead and add this design inside a post. So let's go over here to posts and let's click on add new post. And here let's add a title. So I'll just type services. And now here you can add any content as usual. But when you want to add this design, you have to select this block called custom HTML. So you can just search for custom HTML over here and select it. Now here you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So let's add the code over here. So I'll just create a style tag, and in this we can add the CSS code. So let's go to our source code, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So here in the style.css file we have all the CSS code. So let's copy from this line of code till the end. And let's go back and paste it over here. And the next thing we need to do is add the HTML. So let's go back and let's go to the HTML file and let's copy this HTML code from here. So we have copied this image hover container division, and let's paste it over here. And then lastly we need to add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag for that. And let's go back and let's go to the main.js file and let's copy all this JavaScript from here and let's paste it over here. And now we need to add the link of these images. So right now it is set to images / the image name. But in our local project we have the images folder. In the WordPress website we need to first of all upload the image and then get the link and paste it over here. So for that, let's go back to the dashboard and let's go to media. And here we need to add the images. So let's click on add media file and let's click on select files. And here we have these images. So let's select all of these and let's click on open. And we can see all the images are uploaded. Now we can go ahead and get the links from here. So let's click on this first image. And this is the image for websites. So let's copy the URL. So we can just click on this button called copy URL to clipboard. And let's go back and paste it for the websites image. So here instead of images / websites, I'll just paste the link, and let's do the same for here. So this is basically the link of the mobile image and this is the link of the desktop image. Right now we are just setting both of them to the same images. And then the next one over here is this image right here. So it is for SEO. So let's copy this and let's find SEO over here, and this is the SEO image. So let's paste the link over here and let's do the same over here. And then we have debugging. So let's copy this, go back and paste it over here and over here. And then we have branding. So let's copy this and let's scroll down and let's paste it for branding and over here. And then lastly we have this image right here for applications. So let's copy this and let's scroll up, and here we need to add the image and here. Right now let's go ahead and click on publish and publish, and we can see that the post has been published. So let's click on view post, and here we have the design displayed. And if you hover over this, we can see that the hover effect is working fine. But we have some problems in the styling. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And here we have this image hover container. And here we can see that there is a max width added by the theme. So we need to add our own max width. So let's go ahead and add a max width for this image hover container. So let's go to the CSS. And here we have the image hover container. So here let's type max width and let's set it to 1200 pixels. And let's also add important over here so that this line of CSS is more important than the theme CSS. And we'll also bring all these text to the center. So inside the feature, let's type text align center. And now let's go ahead and click on update. And let's go back to our post and let's reload this page. And now we can see we have this width of 1200 pixels, and if you hover over this, everything is working alright. Let's take a look at the mobile version. And this is how the mobile version looks, and everything is looking alright. So that's basically how you can add this image hover effect to your WordPress website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.